Welcome to the CryptoNest. All right, I have a question. When do you think Wave 3 will start? Well, honestly, I believe now it did started. If I follow the yellow count, so this was a Wave 1, and we had an A, a B. Now I need to move that, but this was the C. Okay, so this is the Wave 2. Just want to check here. A, B. See, no, it's not really clear, because let me remove some fibs now. Is it better like that? Yeah, okay, much better. So there you are. So I still have this ABC or A scenario where, you know, this is more conservative count. This is the A. We had an ABC for the B in orange, and then we would have yeah, 1-to-1 ratio, 6 cents pretty much for the C wave. So that's the more conservatory approach, and that possibly would close a bigger wave 1, and after that we're going to have a deeper pullback as a wave 2. Now, in a case we do have 5-way up, then even better. So the yellow count, yeah, we have the 1 here, the 2, and the 3rd. There you go. Ideally 6 cents 4 or 6 cent 3, but 6 cent 4, 681 would be great, even higher if we can. And within this 3rd wave, we are possibly, yeah, no, the thing with Brett, this is so crazy now. We could be working already into this 3rd wave, right? In yellow, but honestly, I am debating if, I don't know if I can count this as a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and now we're working into the 3rd of the 3rd. Going to change the degrees here. But I could also say, or maybe this is a diagonal A, B, C, or even a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which I don't really like because the 4th wave is very shallow. But this is 1 hour chart once again, and this could be the wave 2. Does it work here? A overshooting wave B and a C, it would work, and still make it in a 3rd wave. I'm not sure which one I prefer. They both work. This could be the one. I could also say this is A overshooting wave B and a C. Yeah, but honestly, I think I prefer this one. A 1, 2. Then if I go on 15 minutes, can I say that the wave 1 is a diagonal? Yeah, I could say that. And say we have an A, a B, and a C. I could even, well, that's a weak. Anyway, I'm going to leave it here for a moment. And I could say also this was an ABC, this was an A B, and now we're working into this C. But at the end of the day, you know, sometimes when we go too much with let me just remove that. Should have done it before. I don't like to do micro counting because, you know, sometimes it works and the structure is perfect, and then there you are. But here, not crystal clear. And so, yeah, should I put the wave 1 here and the wave 2 here, and we are now working into this 3rd wave? Let me remove that. I think we don't need it anymore. Cool, yeah. So I have a few counts, but the important thing is the Fibonacci extensions. So let's see if we can get to 6 cent 3 or 6 cents 4 for this 3rd wave in yellow. And the thing I'm going to watch out it's going to be here, the potential high B wave or the wave 1 in light blue, circle light blue. If we bust that, then there start to be a case that, you know, we're doing something, yeah, more bullish, and we're not doing another correction, right? Because if Bitcoin now, you know, it still do a bigger or deeper correction, then it's going to drag everybody, and Brad still has some room to go. It's still not it's not jeopardizing anything, and would be still one to valid count. And yeah, let me just calculate if this is, you know, worst case scenario, this is the A in blue, and this is just the A, B, C. Let's calculate the B wave of this count in blue and see if it's reacting to some levels. So this one here. Didn't want to do that at all. I'm going to say now it's looking good. Now, if price can push higher, then, or by, you know, having a few candles higher than 0.886, probability are going to be more on, yeah, we're going to push higher and actually working into this third wave in yellow. If price now gets rejected, you know, this is a zone where pretty much the B wave would get rejected. It's even start to be a high B wave, but let's see how it goes. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.